doing this weekend?
I don't know, I'm just enjoying sitting under the tree, being with the goats and the chooks and my friends.
Oh, that's right. There's a launch on.
A launch?
Oh, yeah, the book we wrote.
Oh, wow, that's right.
Oh,
Our Street.
Right.
We've written a book.
And it's about permaculture, I think.
Wow.
Or it's got something to do with permaculture.
And it's based on your Aussie Street story.
Oh, that's
I
right.
remember now.
Suburbia,
Yeah, and we're
right.
launching it on Sunday.
And
Alongside these permaculture action cards that we made with Formidable Vegetable.
Wow. Brenna, could you do a mini workshop?
Oh my gosh, I'd love to teach everyone how to draw one of my characters. That'd be great.
Oh.
What else are we going to have?
Dave, could you talk about when the sewer went in when you were a kid?
oh, yeah, it's in the book, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a great section on that.
And there'll be music by Formidable Vegetable too, and some storytelling.
Cool. Love it if you could come too.
Yeah.
See you Sunday.
See you there.